In this example, I will replace Nissan car key battery. So let's get started. Step number 1. Get a PH1 screwdriver and unscrew the tiny screw on the key. Completely remove the screw. At one of the key corners, there is a small gap, as you can see in here. Now get a sharp slotted screwdriver and insert it into this gap, and once it's inside this gap, just turn the screwdriver and the gap would expand. Then use your hands to pull the two sides away from each other, and as easy as that, we open the key. Nissan Micra's battery is CR2032. You can easily take it out from the side by pulling it up. Then insert the new battery in. Make sure you insert it from the right side, as it only would work from one side. Then put these two sides together and press it until it secures and lock itself. I struggle a bit to lock them because of this plastic thing that was coming on the way. So you might wiggle a bit here and there to properly fasten it. And finally put that tiny screw into this tiny hole and tighten it by using the same screwdriver. And here it is. We have successfully replaced the battery.